everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am in the Walmart parking lot. I did park in the back, but there's tons of cars that still parked around me. But I am here to share with you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. A lot of you guys love this, and it is the end of the month, so hopefully you guys are getting the bonuses and all that fun stuff. I have Miss Charlotte in the back, so if you hear her crying, she's just waking up from a nap. But let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got. So this is an easy deal, a money maker that you guys want to do this right away. Miss Charlotte says hi. But this is a deal that you guys want to do right away because it's Thursday. Thursday always, Checkout 51 always pops up on Thursdays. But as I was submitting my receipt at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, these are saying there's not very many available. So, these were $2.18. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon that we just got in today, this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $1. I'll grab her in a second. You guys would pay $1.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Saving Star and a $1 rebate on Checkout 51. Now, Checkout 51, there was not many left, so if you guys want to do that, but this ends up becoming a 32-cent moneymaker, so you guys definitely want to do that if you guys can do that. Okay, I am back, you guys. I had a Miss Charlotte. She's like, Mom, I gotta be in the video. So yeah, so I went crazy over yogurt, you guys. Just be prepared. So I ended up, and it's hard for me to share with you guys all this, but I ended up getting the Chobani. Now I ended up getting these. I got 5 different flavors. I'm not going to show you guys all 5 different flavors, but they all worked. I got like strawberry, banana, pumpkin spice, blackberry, raspberry, or whatever. But these were 88 cents a piece. You guys want to use a $1 off of 5 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would pay $3.44 for this. But then you guys can get $2.44 back on Ibotta when you buy 4. So you just need to buy 5 to use the coupon, but you get $2.44 when you buy 4. Now last week it was $1.22 when you bought 2. This time I had to buy 4, but it just doubled, so it's still a great deal. But you guys would get these for 96 cents or just 19 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. I am still afraid to try yogurt, Greek yogurt. I don't know why. But my in-laws are coming over later today, so I'm going to have them try it with me just in case I don't like it. They can have it. And the next one I got is the Chobani Flip. These were $1 a piece, and again, I used that $1 off of 5 coupon that we got from our inserts from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $4 for 5 of these. And then the same deal with Ibotta. You get $2.44 when you guys buy 4. If you guys still have it for $1.22, when it resets, it changed to $2.44. So just depends on what you guys want. But it comes out to be $1.56 or just 31 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty great deal. Cinnamon bun fun. I'm excited to try this. Like, I don't know why. Ooh, chewy caramels. So that one. And then I got a lot of the Yoplait. Now I actually do like the Yoplait. I'm a person who doesn't like the chunks of fruit. I kind of get grossed out by it, but I love this kind of yogurt. So these were 57 cents a piece. You guys want to use a printable coupon from coupons.com for 50 cents off of 5. So you guys would pay $2.35. But there is a deal on Ibotta where you guys get 75 cents off of 4. Comes out to be just $1.60 or just 32 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. So I was excited to get that. Or no, I guess you guys know what, the Country Crock was still not many left. It was this one that didn't have very many left. So this is the Ducalex liquid. This was $5.28. You guys, we just received a $3 off coupon. I can't remember what inserts, but we have a $3 off coupon for that. You guys would pay $2.28 for this, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate with checkout 51, making it a 72-cent money maker. So this was a limited, or this was not very many left if you guys want to do that. So got that. If you guys need some Dukalax. I ended up getting some Bush's beans. Now these are the savory beans. Now these are at my store for $1, $1. There's never any coupons for beans, the musical fruit, but there is a deal on checkout 51 where you guys will get $1 back. It is a limit of 2, so $1, you guys would pay $1 for this. You submit $1 on checkout 51 and they come to be absolutely free. So there was just a limit of 2, which I think is super awesome. I ended up getting the Southwestern style pinto beans. Yeah, and I love Bush's, so I was pretty excited to get that deal for you guys. I ended up getting the Clorox wipes. Now these were $2.62. Now this is not the greatest deal, but I love my wipes. I love my wipes. But I used $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a while back ago. You guys also want to use a sorry you guys, you buy 2 of them, you guys would pay $4.24 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, and since I bought 2 of them, you get $1 back with Ibotta, making it $3.24 or $1.62 a piece. I'm not sure if that's a great deal, but you know what, I still wanted to share with you guys some cleaning products in case you wanted to do that. I ended up getting the Bunch of Crunch It. Now when I read the things on the Ibotta app, I thought, oh sweet, we can buy the small ones. Small ones didn't qualify, but these ones did, and I love my Bunch of Crunch. So, or Bunch of Crunch is what they're called. But these were $2.82, or 83 cents, $2.83. You guys would pay $2.83 for this, but then you guys can submit $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.83. Now I'm gonna go see the movie It next week, which I am so excited for. You guys have no idea what kind of person I am. I used to love horror movies, not as much as I do as what I used to, but I am in love with the movie It, so I'm definitely bringing these in the theater with me when I go do that. I have yet to try these, you guys. I know it's crazy, but I ended up getting the Nature Valley wafers. Now these were $2.72. I lost my spot. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon, you would pay $2.22 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.72. So I'm like, $1.72 for 5 snacks is a pretty good deal. Oh, this is just peanut butter. I swear the one that I've been grabbing is chocolate. Oh, I'll try this one. I'm going to try that one. I'm going to try that one as I'm driving home. I also got the Sunbelt peanut butter chocolate chip bars. Now you guys can get whatever you want, but these were $1.93. We did receive 55-cent off coupons in this past Sunday's paper, so you guys would get this for $1.38. Oh, you guys want to submit $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 38 cents. So I think 38 cents for 10 bars is a great deal. I should eat these. Like, I'm not grossed out by them, but I just don't eat them. Like, I don't snack. I only snack on Oreos and Fruit Loops and ice cream. Like, I need to snack on more variety of stuff. And then I also got the equal sweetener. Now this was $3.47. We have a $2 off coupon that you guys want to use. You'll get this for $1.47, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 72 cents. So that was my haul. Yes, that was my haul, you guys. It wasn't much, but like I hit my bonuses the other day, but I still needed my level 4. So level 4, I just needed one rebate to get my $2 bonus, and then I had the Weekend Warrior, but I needed 15 rebates to get that, and I was not gonna get 15 rebates. There's some good deals out there, just nothing that I really need. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. I got drool on my hand. I don't know why I smelled it, but my total came to $27.35 for everything. I ended up getting $10.33 back with Ibotta. I got 50 cents back with Saving Star, $6 back with Checkout 51. Now, if you guys need a referral link for Ibotta and Checkout 51, I do have referral links below that you guys can click. And then you guys get money when you guys click my referral link. I also have it where you guys can join my Ibotta team. You just need to Facebook request me. I have the link below. Just Facebook request me, and once we are friends, you guys are on my team. It's not the Deals by DesignerJen. It's just my regular name. So just actually click that link, and you guys can friend request me. And then I received $2 from Ibotta for level 4, so I finished that. My grand total came to $8.52. I got 25 items for just 34 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal, especially all that yogurt we got, right, Miss Charlotte? Yeah, so that was my haul. I just wanted to share with you guys on that. I hope you guys are liking the car haul. It's just easier for me because when I get home, then I can just put all this stuff away right away instead of bringing it down to the basement, and then some of that stuff just sits there and it makes more of a mess. And it's still nice outside because once it gets cold, I cannot do these videos out here in the parking lot. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all next week for a new month of October for Ibotta haul. So get ready, because I think October is going to be a better month than September. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.